Friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Share Tips. Today I find out a company from leather space, manufacturers of leather products such as leather shoes and leather accessories such as belts, bags, etc. We all know the company from footwear sector, Relaxer Footwear, Bata, Liberty, everything is doing good in our country. And we can consider this company also into that list, considering their consistent performance over the last 3 years. So the name of the company is Super House Limited. So let us value the company, whether we can invest in this company right now or not. So friends, if anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, please share to your friends and relatives and like it. So when coming to the company, Super House Limited, they are mainly in the manufacturing of leather products and they are manufacturing high quality products such as just like Relaxer Footwear and Bata. So they are manufacturing leather shoes under the well-known brand name Allen Cooper. They are owning 3 good brands: Allen Cooper, Silver Street and Panacea. The most interesting thing is that they are exporting to more than 50 plus countries in the world. The product of this company is very popular to many of the countries and is less known to Indian citizens because the 60% of productions are exporting to many of the countries. Apart from doing the leather business, they are also entered into the textile business also. Now textiles as well as leather business is in focus, especially in India. The government is going to provide so many soaps to both these industries. So under the PLI scheme also, the company will benefit. So this company must be in our radar for the next few years. And most interesting thing I noticed is that they are the manufacturers of the equipments related to horse riding. Actually, horse riding is not popular in India. So we don't know about the equipments, whatever they're using. But these products are widely exported to many of the countries and the quality is very good. Many of the country peoples are preferring the Super House product related to the horse riding. Horse riding, their main products are they're producing saddles, horse riding gears, bridles. Bridles are the device which used to direct the horse and control the movement of the horse. Another product is rugs. It will protect the horse from winter season. It is just like a blanket which protect the horse from winter season. Next product is chaps. It protect the legs of the riders and riding boot. And one more item is the breeches, which is an inspired pant worn by the riders at the time of riding the horse. So these products in so many European countries, they are very famous and they are very interested in their main hobby is horse riding. So these products are widely accepted by the most of the countries because of the quality of the product. So if we come to the valuation wise also, the company is very cheap. The company have an EPS of 25 rupees and its P is only 6 rupees against the industrial P of 66. If you take the case of Relaxer Footwear, the P ratio of the Relaxer Footwear is 63 rupees. This company's P ratio is 6 rupees. It's very cheap when compared to Relaxer Footwear. But one thing, this company is a small cap company and there is chance for this company to become a mid cap. So when compared to Relaxo, Relaxo is a very big company, but chances are there because the products in their kitty is very valuable products. So this share must be come to notice to many of the investors. When come to shareholding patterns, the promoters of the company are holding 54.8% in the company. But unfortunately, affairs have no holdings still now. But I expect when understand the company, when they will come and invest in the company. If they come and invest 1% company, the share price will be fly from this level. At the face value of 10, this share price is now 174 rupees. The result of the company is good. December quarter, the result of March is not yet came, and there is a board meeting on 25th of this month, and we expect a good result from the company's side. And the book value come is 320 rupees. So it is well below the book value. As a book value 320 rupees, the company's value share value is only 174 rupees, and it is also a good dividend paying company. So this is itself more than enough for a company to be valued. So from this level of 174 rupees, I expect share to give you a 20% return. My target of the company is 210 rupees for a short term to medium term period. As fundamental wise also the company is very good. So don't speculate. Just have an eye on this company. I expect some movement in this company in the near future. This is my personal study about the company. Please study about the company yourself or consult your advisor before getting position in the company based on my advice. Thank you very much. Keep watching. Thank you for all the patient listening. Thank you.